Hey everyone! Welcome back. In our last video, we cracked problem number 1 on percentages. Today, we are taking it one step further with problem number 2, a little trickier, a lot more fun, and packed with smart shortcuts you don't want to miss. Let's read it out. Of the two candidates in an election, one got 40% of the votes and lost by 2980 votes. Find the total number of votes polled.
So the question says, two people fought an election, one got 40% votes and still lost. Poor guy. He lost by 2980 votes. Can you guess how many total votes were polled? Let's break it down and solve this mystery.
Now we don't know how many total votes were there. Total votes are missing. So let's just say it's X for now. Let's just give it a name. It's like using a nickname for something you don't know yet. Let's call the total number of votes X. The second candidate, who didn't get enough votes to win, got 40% of the total votes. That means this candidate got 40% of X. So, we can write, runner-up candidate got 40% of X votes. Let's calculate. 40% of X means 40 over 100 multiplied by X. If we do fraction multiplication, 0 of the numerator gets cancelled with the 0 of 100 in the denominator. We are left with 4 and X in the numerators. If we multiply 4 with X, it becomes 4X and in the denominator we will have 10. So, the result of this multiplication comes out to be 4x over 10. We can say, this second candidate got 4x over 10 votes in total. Because we were told he got 40% of the total votes, and we just calculated 40% of x to be 4x over 10. But, remember, 4x over 10 isn't an actual number yet. We just gave the total votes a nickname, x, because we didn't know the real number. So until we find what x really is, 4x over 10 is still a mystery. Now let's talk about how many votes the winning candidate got. We know that the runner-up got 40% of the total votes. So the winner must have got the rest of the votes. So, let's calculate the number of votes the winner got. Total number of votes is x. The second candidate got 4x over 10 votes. Therefore, the winner must have got x minus 4x over 10 votes. Now, let's do the calculation. The first term x can be written as x over 1. Now the denominators are 1 and 10. So, the LCM is 10. 1 times 10 is 10, and 10 times x is 10x, so we can write 10x in the numerator. Minus 10 times 1 is 10, and 1 times 4x is 4x, so we write minus 4x for the second expression. Subtract the numerators, we get 6x over 10. Hence the winner got 6x over 10 votes, which is not an exact number yet. But we got this from calculation. We still need to find out the exact numbers. But we can say as of now, winner got 6x over 10 votes and the runner-up candidate got 4x over 10 votes. Time to use your brain. The question says, of the two candidates in an election, one got 40% of the votes and lost by 2980 votes. This clearly means we are talking about the person who got 4x over 10 votes. And what do you think this number 2980 is? Is it the total number of votes? No. Is this the number of votes he got? Nope. Read again. He got 40% of votes and lost by 2980 votes. That means he got 2980 votes less than the winner. In other words, the difference between their number of votes is 2980. Since our winner sir got 6x over 10 votes, so the difference will be 6x over 10 minus 4x over 10. And that is 2980, according to the question. Now solve the equation. How to do that? In the left-hand side, do the fraction subtraction. Like fractions, so denominator will be 10, numerator will be 6x minus 4x is equal to 2x. Hence we get the expression 2x over 10 is equal to 2980. To solve this, 10 goes to the right-hand side as multiplication, so we write 2x is equal to 2980 times 10. Now, to keep x alone on the left side, we send 2 to the right-hand side as division. So, we get x is equal to 2980 times 10 divided by 2. That's how we isolate x to find its value. Do cancellations to get x is equal to 14,900. Remember, we had called the total votes is equal to x. Now, we've got the value of x as 14,900. So, the total number of votes polled was 14,900. Hey! This seems complicated. It's time for a quicker, alternate method. We'll assume the total number of votes is 100%. Now, the question says that one candidate got 40% of the votes. That means the other candidate, the winner, got the rest of the votes. So how much is that? 100% minus 40% equals 60%. That's how we know the winner got 60% of the votes. Now let's find the difference between them. 60% to 40% is equal to 20%. And the question tells us that this 20% is equal to 2,980 votes. So we say 20% is equal to 2,980, which means 1% is equal to 2,980 divided by 20 equals 149. Now, if 1% is 149, then 100% is equal to 149 times 100 equals 14,900. So the total number of votes polled was 14,900. See? Sometimes a little percentage logic can save a lot of time. If that made things clearer, imagine what's coming next. Stick around, hit that subscribe if you're curious. We are just getting started with smart, simple learning.